Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Farwa Nadeem from Maryland High School. Today I will deliver you a lecture of Social Studies class 5th. In our previous lectures, we discussed everything about the geography of the Pakistan. I told you about the places that are important to the Pakistan, important cities of the Pakistan, and relationship of Pakistan with the other countries. We have discussed everything about the Pakistan. As you can see, geo means earth and graphy means study. So in this chapter we learned about the earth study of Pakistan, that what is the location of Pakistan, what are the relationships of Pakistan with the other countries, and what are the problems that are faced by the Pakistan, and what are the services that are provided to the people of the Pakistan or the inhabitant of any country. In our today's video we are going to learn our problems, we are talking about the problems that are faced by our country Pakistan. And Pakistan is an industrial country and Pakistan is an developing country, means Pakistan is underdeveloping. And in this topic we will learn that how we can solve the problems that are faced by the Pakistan. First of all, we will talk about the problems that we have to face. The first one is poverty. Poverty is a major problem that is faced by the Pakistan and every citizen. And next one is illiteracy. Next is corruption. And another one is unemployment. And pollution. These all are the problems that are faced by the Pakistan. First one is poverty, second one illiteracy, means most of the people of our country are illiterate. They are without education, they don't know how to write and how to read. And third one is corruption. Corruption is the major problem faced by the Pakistan. And next is unemployment and pollution. Pollution is also the major problem in Pakistan, and pollution is the problem that is faced by every country mostly. And unemployment is the condition in which the jobs are less and the people are more, and this can be the cause of an overpopulated country. As I told you that Pakistan is an overpopulated country, mean in the country in which the people are more and the sources are less, that country is called an overpopulated country, and Pakistan is an overpopulated country. So that's why unemployment is also the cause of an overpopulated country. And next, pollution. Pollution is because of us. It's all because of the humans. We are polluting our environment. We should plant more and more trees for the removal of this pollution to the. There are many people in Pakistan that are very poor, means that they have no any house, they have no any other facility of the life, even that they cannot go to the hospital when they get ill. And this is very painful for any country, and this is a very major problem of the poverty. And even in the villages the people cannot get education properly, and the children in the villages are mostly illiterate, they don't get education. And in this government Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf distributed health cards to the people that cannot go to the hospitals, and they are doing many other things for the benefit of the country. Next problem that is faced by the Pakistan is the energy crisis. Energy crisis is also a problem that is faced by the Pakistan. This problem, Pakistan is struggling to get a lot of energy, to get a lot of electricity, and we are importing coal, oil just for the production of the electricity. And after the building of the Damer Bhasha Dam, we can get a lot of electricity and we can be a developed country. This is a very good thing that if we build the Damer Bhasha Dam, then we become a developed country. These all are the problems that we are facing. Now you will tell me that what are the solutions of these problems. First of all, you will tell me the solution of the poverty, that how we can overcome the poverty, how we can overcome illiteracy, corruption, unemployment, pollution and energy crisis. These all are the problems that are faced by the Pakistan, and its effect is only on the inhabitants of the Pakistan, the citizen of the Pakistan like you and I. Its effect is on us. The very important problem that is faced by the Pakistan in the last few years is the terrorism. What is terrorism? Terrorism is actually creating a threat to the people, and Pakistan is fighting against the terrorism. Terrorism have no any religion, they are just working for the benefit of their own. They just want to get money and weapons from the people, and when the people don't do anything, then they create violence, then they violate the human rights. They are just violating the human rights in any country, and in Pakistan, Pakistan fight against the terrorism, and this is a very big achievement for Pakistan, and Pakistan is now free of terrorism. This was all your topic. I am going to repeat this out. In the start, we discussed the geography of Pakistan. I told you that what is the meaning of the word geography. Geography means the study of the earth, and we studied the geography of Pakistan, the location of Pakistan, the relationship of Pakistan with the other countries, and the services that are provided to the people of the Pakistan, and all the cities, important cities, their traditional culture, everything about the Pakistan. In this chapter we have discussed. And we also discussed that Pakistan is a nuclear country, and Pakistan is the first Islamic country to develop nuclear facility, and it's also a very great achievement for the Pakistan. That I told you that Pakistan is the member of OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, and 57 countries are in the OIC, and Pakistan is the first Muslim country to develop nuclear facilities. So you can imagine that how beneficial is it. And in our today's topic, we discuss the problems that are faced by the Pakistan. The first one is the poverty, then illiteracy, corruption, unemployment, pollution and energy crisis. These all are the problems that are faced by the Pakistan, and we can easily solve these problems by the we can overcome the poverty by providing all the facilities to the people that are poor. And illiteracy, we can overcome illiteracy by building schools into the villages or into the areas that are illiterate or rural areas. And then corruption, Pakistan recently Pakistan is fighting against corruption, and it's a very big achievement. Next one is unemployment. We can overcome unemployment by providing more and more jobs to the young people that are educated. Next is pollution. We can also remove the pollution by planting more and more trees, and by the removal of the degradable substances. And next one is energy crisis. Energy crisis, we can also overcome the energy crisis by providing electricity to the people, by storing water into the dams so that they can produce electricity for the people that are living in any country. This was all your topic. And another thing, that is terrorism. Terrorism is very important. Pakistan is facing terrorism in the last years, and Pakistan is fighting against the terrorism, and it's a very big achievement for Pakistan. And terrorism is actually creating threat to the people, threatening to the people. And when terrorism is just is the violation of the human rights. Terrorism have no any religion. This was your topic, and your assignment is that you will write the solution of all these problems that are faced by the Pakistan. You will write the answers one by one. First of all, you will write the solution of the poverty, that what could be the solution of the poverty, and then illiteracy, corruption, unemployment, pollution, energy crisis. And your assignment is you will write the solution of all these problems. You will just write the solution of these problems only. I hope you guys enjoyed it.